Sorry guys, that was the part 1. I accidentally didn't hit record. Or, I forgot to say. That was part 1 of today. Oh, stepped in dog poo. This is gonna be part 2. 手电筒怎么啦？总闪。So yeah, this is the second one. Okay. Oh my god, it's getting so high. And here we go again. It looks very not bright on camera. It looks very bright on camera. It's not in real life. Sure we can. Sure you guys. Oh my god, it's getting so smoky. Look at that. Here we go again. Oh! Whoa! It exploded double! Look at that. See? You can see the bottom, it exploded double. That's so sick. Oh! Oh! Since it's double, it's exploding 2 times faster. 他弄了2个，他有一个炸掉了2个。Oh. How is that still burning? Oh, there we go. That's that one. Now it's time for these guys. These guys are very, very powerful. They shoot and then they explode in the air. So here's a demonstration. Here's gonna be a little video. Ready? It sprays sand powder everywhere and so. 好，那我站这边啊，省着那个。
我也是在这儿。
啊？那我是站这儿。
哪边没烟你站这儿。
你站那儿啊？那个。
我就坐这儿了。
啊 ？So yeah. Oh god. It's gonna shoot red and blue things in the air. He's sitting right there too. Mosquito. What? Should have been detonated by now. Oh, Jesus. Slightly different. Oh. This is the second one.
爷，先照我一下。
啊？
先照我一下。照我一下。
啊，照着了。看不太清楚。 not focused. I don't know why. There we go. That's the second one. Yo, you can hold on, let me just turn up the lighting. Never mind, the lighting does absolutely zero things. You can barely see anything. Okay, that's the second one. That's the third one, actually. Pachung! Ta-ta-da-rrrr! That's the third one. Now it's time for the fourth one. We have 4. There's my grandpa. Hey, 先别点. Okay. 点吧. This is the fourth one. Slightly clean my thing. It's a ticking time bomb. Oh, there we go. Oh. That always scares me, the first one. Oh! Yep, this one's definitely more powerful. Oh my god, there's a lot. Oh! There's a few that exploded on the streets. So yeah, that's all for today. So yeah, bye-bye.